Hey guys, today I'm working on the Volkswagen. I got out here first thing in the morning so I could not get cooked alive by the Arizona summer here. But as you can see, my Volkswagen's up on the jack right now, and what I'm doing today is fixing my exhaust. This exhaust is not the original one, and it's kind of held up by little rubber donut stuff, and they broke. So I'm kind of repairing stuff today, and I thought I'd just share it with you. So here's what's going on. See, that's the kind of rubber donut that is holding the exhaust up here. And I've always had problems with this. Someone did not really do the best job hooking this up, but these two here, get under here. Yeah, see there's one here, and then there's another one on this side. Let's see. I don't know if you can see it very well. There we go. So you can see the two little ones holding up there. And I just replaced those. So those should hold up for at least another couple years. But what I'm doing different today is down the line here, there is nothing else holding this exhaust up. So there's only these three little donuts at the end of the exhaust system here holding it up, and I'm thinking that might be why it's been breaking. So what I did see right here, look, there is a stock exhaust hook there. So what I'm going to do is rig up a little kind of bracket thing to put another little rubber donut on here and hold up this middle part a little better. So this is a little clamp I got to put around the pipe, but there's no hook on these. So what I had to do was go to Home Depot, and I bought one of these little pipe clamps, I think they're called, but the holes are too small to fit on this thing. So what I'm going to do is drill these holes out a little bigger and then try to kind of jerry rig a little hook for the rubber donut to sit in. Okay, so this is what I rigged up. So I'm just going to kind of put this around the pipe and then hook this and then kind of just turn it like this until the pipe's got a nice snug hold. Okay, after a little bit of trial and error, I did get this on, and I got it tightened up, and it's not hitting anything. This is the e-brake line here, but I got this little donut in there nice and snug, and it's holding up the pipe a lot better now, I think. So hopefully I won't have to deal with this again for a long time. You know, these little rubber donuts you can't even buy anymore. You know, they have bigger ones at the auto parts store, but I think these I had to order off eBay, and they're actually supposed to be for an old Mercedes, but they work. So I got this old Borla exhaust system ready to go. Let's see how it sounds.